At first glance, this looks scarcely a square root inside another square root. But trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's solve it step by step. So we have square root of 4 minus square root of x is equal to 3. To remove the outer square root, we will square both sides. That gives us 4 minus square root of x is equal to 9. Now move square root of x to one side and 9 to another side. So we can write here square root of x is equal to 4 minus 9, or we will get square root of x is equal to negative 5. But wait, square root of x can never be negative. That means there is no real value of x that satisfies this equation. But if we still check it algebraically, we can write here x is equal to negative 5 whole square. So finally we will get the value of x is equal to 25. But when we plug it back into the original equation, it does not work. So the final answer is no real solutions. If you liked this explanation, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more quick Olympiad style math solutions. Thanks for watching.